50 students, no barrier, we want.
Kumar Jamatia, the Tribal Welfare and the Forest Minister of Tripura. Distinguished guest, Sister Annie, our provincial, and respected Sister Deepa, Jepanama, and you who are present here, our leaders and well-wishers. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are indeed pleased. It is an honor and privilege for us to welcome you, dear sir, on behalf of the Olive Hill Holy Cross Boarding for this gathering. I express my deep appreciation to the Minister of Tribal Welfare and the Forest Minister. His untiring work in Tripura, especially to us, the downtrodden, the visible development and the help which he rendered to the blocks, towns, villages, the families, individuals during this corona pandemic. We even can say the children who lost the parents were taken care of under his parental care. The drinking water is provided to our village. Even better, drinking better water is soon will be provided to us under your care. We can keep on adding to these good works in our area. During this lockdown, everyone in the village is busy planting trees, carving road, clearing the jungles and developmental activities. All this we attribute to you, our dear Minister. The all-around development is taken care of the tribal welfare. We can say the development is reaching equally to all those who are eligible. It is my privilege to announce to all our minister stood by us always in our good and bad tidings whenever we approached him, providing us with essential help, the computer and the printer. We acknowledge and extend our prayerful wishes and heartfelt thanks to you, and I welcome each of you to this joyful gathering as we welcome with a bouquet and the result we kept before him was taken into action. We thank you, sir, for your sincere care towards our children. Over here, last year we got stipend 50 students and now total is 110. No, it's okay.
We are part of it. Give my thanks and prayer, our living God, for His grace and love to me. Especially I thank today old friend, fathers. I met him very long time. Our father Arul and all sisters, our provincial sisters there, and all the villagers. It is my dream that come true. Even me, I was here, the first student when it started. Yeah. I'm studying this school. This is the school that I'm studying. So, old student, very old student. I'm here from here. It is a long story actually. I was studying in Bengali medium school, that to Thampui. Then, who's here? I don't know. Who's here? Almost
74.
74. I was in Bengali medium school. I think class 3 or 4 I studied.
Established.
Yeah. Then they established here in medium school. So that time no, I left the school and joined here in KG1. So this is the beginning. I was very young that time, and from there again I went to Jain Hill, Rangamura, because that's the only primary school here. But from there I went to Shillong. And my life actually was blessed by the Catholic missionaries. I cannot forget. Whatever I have achieved, whatever I became, it is only due to the blessing from the Catholic society, Catholic mission. I cannot forget it. And always I have a mind to serve the people, and I believe the saying that service to man is service to God. I try my best to the service to the people as well as to God. And being a product from missionaries, Catholic missionaries, I always have a mind to help out to the missionaries. Now I got little chance, opportunity that I can help something to the people. Therefore, I really work hard, I never stay idle. Even one day I don't have a rest. When I get to school, I used to go here and there and visiting, meeting the people, helping the people. For the last 3 years, you all know, I have very busy. I used to work here and there. And this is my small village, and we are very thankful to God as well as in our community here that we pray long time to establish missionaries in our village. So we got it. Of course, it is beginning. Hopefully, slowly it will be developing, and I will cooperate with the sisters and all our community here for the future development. And I think I have in mind when on the way I lost sister, because now I'm the forest ministers. In my department, we're doing a lot of work. It's will plantation work, and plantation is very important for environment, for the skin. So now our government have a policy that agar policy. So since there are a lot of land here, space is there, I prefer to grow agar. It's very commercial thing. So if necessary, I'll supply the plant which is available in the government with very limited cost, 1 or 2 rupees only. If it require, I'll be free also. So I prefer the sister to grow agar. This is now the time to grow.
Yes, sir.
So there are a lot of space we can grow here and there agar plant. And let's see in future. I cannot commit, but I am trying. So if I commit, then it will be. If I cannot, then it will be not good. But I'm trying my best to help, and I'm thinking within this year for the construction of the hostel, because I have some fund is available, but I have not directly to the school, but somehow I can manage. So I'm trying my best to at least 50 student hostel construction I'm going to give. And also I'm trying to establish one. It's not this thing, but I'm trying best to establish one school also here in the Graham site, one ecology school. I'm going to try. So hopefully this area is very deprived, as you all know. Communication wise it's very difficult, but nowadays it's improving the communication also. So hopefully we'll go to develop, and I always pray that there should be peace and tranquility should be maintained. But without peace, without unity, we cannot develop. So there should be peaceful environment as well as unity is very important. So I pray to God and we all pray together to bring peace and development in our area. Thank you.
Thank you.